Hey everybody, it's Marika Soleil here with eXp Realty and the Live Group. I'm over here at our new listing. This is unit 1006 on the 10th floor at Waterscapes. So we're going to do a little virtual open house and I'm going to show you guys a couple awesome features inside this unit, and you can watch it over and over again and figure out if this is going to be your next new fantastic 10th floor condo in Kelowna. So let's go inside. So first of all, I just wanted to note that this entrance is pretty fabulous. There's a full mirrored wall over here, so it really makes it feel like the space is a lot bigger than it is. And there's two closets. This is a nice closet, a nice coat closet. I would do a little sitting bench over here probably, so that you can kind of take your shoes off for your guests, all that kind of good stuff, okay? So this unit is just over 1,000 square feet, about 1,100 square feet. There's 2 bedrooms here and 2 bathrooms. If you want to just check out the floor, this is a nice travertine tile and it's actually heated throughout the entire condo. So I really, really like that. In here is the stacked washer and dryer. So these are pretty standard throughout the building, and they work perfectly well. Alrighty, so we're gonna keep on walking. We've got some lights on for you guys. We might as well go into this gorgeous bathroom first. So this would be the bathroom that has that beautiful steam shower, okay? And as you walk in, the lights underneath all the cabinetry light up. There you go. And I'm going to show you some of the colors that the steam shower turns. So this is ChromoTherapy. I know I've always, they used to always put those big red bulbs in the showers, but this one has a bunch of different colors to give you a better mood. So let's see what we got. I'm going to turn these lights on. I'm not going in the shower, I'm just going to show you the lights. That'd be pretty funny. So there's blue. See that turn into a nice greeny yellow. I can already feel my moods changing. And red. Little infrared red sauna there. So yeah, this is an awesome, awesome thing to have. Steam showers are my favorite. Close that up, look at that. I just want to get in there right now. Okay. So let's mosey on over here. This is going to be the master bedroom. There's also a bathroom in here. So we've got some luminaire shears here. So it just gives a little bit extra instead of having just basic blinds. So they're kind of a sheer fabric over a little bit sunny, but you can see how that looks. So I'm going to open this up and show you the view. So there you've got Prospera Place. You've got the other Waterscapes development here. Our amenities are actually just right over here. You can almost see the pool right there. And look at that. You've got mountain views on this side, city views. All the construction going on in Kelowna. All right, so I'm going to close this back up. Seeing how these work, there's just a thing on the inside where you can move them. And there you go, completely closed. So over here on the side, we've got gorgeous. This is a beautiful armoire built in also for all your extras. The TVs all come with the unit. Same with the furnishings. Most of the stuff's from Urban Barn. It's been barely used. This was more of a vacation place for our clients, so it's not like it's got the regular daily wear and tear. This is a gorgeous walk-in closet, and Closet Maid did the interior. You've got a little bit of drawers in there, tons of space and shelving to hang all your clothes. All right. Hello. So this unit, we've got it priced at $789. Now that's including all the furnishings, and we're thinking there's a good $100,000 in upgrades here with the floors, The fireplace I'm gonna show you. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you is this fan. So look at that. If you look at it, it's got a crystal light, which looks super cool when it's turned on. Look at that. Super, super nice. Alrighty, so this one's got his and her sinks, a bathtub if you need it, and just a regular shower. Again, heated flooring throughout the bathroom as well. So here we go into the kitchen. This is all custom cabinetry also. We've got a wine fridge, wine rack, beautiful glass doors up here to showcase your glass or whatever you want to showcase, and tons of extra cupboard space. And I love this bar hutch for extra with the click of a button, just like that. And look how pretty that looks. Very nice. We'll leave that on. So speaking of lighting, let's talk lighting. So there's been fully upgraded package here. This remote controls everything. So if I want to put everything on, all I have to press is all on, and all the lights everywhere turn on. So there's these ones here, the dining lights. There's little pot lights all over on the ceiling also. And of course there's under the counter lighting right here. So now that we're in the kitchen and all the lights are on, we've got this amazing gas stove, which I love. We've got the ice maker water fridge right here. And my favorite thing is this dishwasher. It's a double, so you can do your top rack if you want, or if you just have a few dishes, you can do the bottom rack, which is yours. And there's that little bit of contrast between the dark and the light, and then over here with the bar, you've got the light and the dark. So it all fits really, really well. This fireplace here is fueled on ethanol. And so what you do is you fill it up right here with your ethanol fuel, and then you take this lovely tool that comes with it, and you just dip it in here. You dip it in here, get a little bit of ethanol, light this, and then put it back so that it lights, and then you can adjust it, the flame right here. Yeah, we learned how to use this when we were doing our photo shoots, so yeah, so that's a cool feature. So another thing, there's speakers here and all over the place. We've got all the components here for your SpeakerCraft system. There's a subwoofer, and the sound is majestic. It's very loud. We don't have it on today, obviously, but if you wanted to come hear it, I'd be happy to set up a time that we can listen to some rock and roll and listen to the sound system. All right. So again, the furnishings in this room also come with the unit at $789, which is a steal of a deal if you look at what else we've got in the building. We can head over to the second bedroom. And of course, notice these have these. Okay, so the second bedroom again. These furnishings are also included. It's got the heated tile floor throughout. And this is pretty much the same view that the master has, just a little bit more south. This is a dog-friendly building also, so there's lots of pets around here, people walking their dogs. Let's close this and see how dark it gets. So you can close these up. To get rid of that sunshine, because that brings in a ton of heat. You're also allowed rentals in this building, so they have to be a 30-day minimum. There you go. All right. So let's check out probably the most amazing thing that I love about this unit, and that's the view. So we've already seen the view from the two bedrooms. This is the view we have from the living area. And as you can see, it's pretty much windows from the floor to the ceiling all around this area. Tons of natural light and a gorgeous, gorgeous view out here. So being in the middle, we're on the 10th floor, so we're right in the middle of the building. It's not too windy here. We do get a wonderful view of the Bennett Bridge straight ahead. We've got a gorgeous lake view all around. It's pretty much encompassing everything that you want out of Kelowna. We've got the city view. We've got the mountains straight ahead. And looking down isn't too scary because you're not too high up. Yeah, I could live here. I really like it here. On that side over here, we've got the bird sanctuary, which is very nice to walk through, and there's a dog park over there. And, you know, beach access, lake access right there. If you keep going up Sunset here, you've got a few nice restaurants. Turn the corner and you've got more restaurants. Prospera Place is right there. And of course, Knox Mountain is just behind us, so if you feel like going for a hike, you could walk there from here. There's also the amenities building. So there's a pool, we've got a fitness center, there's a barbecue area if you feel like going to have some barbecue down there. Yeah, so that's it. We're here at 1006 Sunset Drive in Kelowna. And if you have any more questions, I'll put my phone number in the links and you can give me a call and come have us look for yourself. Thank you.